What does it mean by they see me Rollin, they Hatin?
I have seen a lot of teenagers nowadays going by the lingo they see me Rollin, they Hatin.
I'm sure they use it to address their haters, but what does it necessarily imply when they relate themselves to a rolling action?
Rolling could mean driving/cruising around specifically, or it could also be taken in a much more general sense to mean conducting myself, publicly. Google around for the expression "that's how I roll." Also see the music video by Chamillionaire Riding Dirty, or much better yet, its parody by Weird Al Yankovic, White and Nerdy.
It refers to Chamillionaire's song Hatin. In it, the rapper criticizes police for discriminating certain groups of people, Afro-Americans and Latins. In short, the police sees a black person ride in his car, hates him for having his financial condition, supposes a black person only would have such money through crime, then stops him, only to be frustrated by the fact that he is a hard-working American citizen. Nowadays it is commonly used in the internet to refer to haters, people who blindly criticize certain people or points of view out of pure dogmatism. I think it's about jealousy. Someone is talking to his jealous haters, saying that I am becoming more famous or wealthier or whatever and you are hating me because you're jealous.